Some of you ask, what do teachers do during summer? Mr. and Mrs. Hicks, what do we do?
We break stuff.
We break it. At the end of April, Olivia and I purchased this home in Northwest Arvada and moved out of our 3-bedroom condo. We were originally going to just replace some of the floors and update the kitchen, but quickly that evolved into a full first floor renovation, as well as new windows and a master and laundry room reno. You guys got your gloves? Who wants to take the first shot?
Heather does.
No, go for it, Todd.
This one?
Any
Sure.
of them.
Any of them.
Don't hit your foot.
I'm like, I've hit a tire with a sledgehammer.
Go for it, man.
I'm nervous. What if it again, what if you break your shoulder? You're like, da-da-da, 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 da-da-da.
Take a look at my girlfriend. She's the only one I got.
Wait, hang on.
You got through the wood, Todd.
I think you just put a hole in my floor.
That's a very
learned.
deep hole.
Broke my floor.
The goal here is to help you. The only way I know how.
All right. Muscle Man, what do you have to say for yourself?
Sorry?
Things are moving along. Got the floors removed. Need to finish grinding that one. Giant drywall panels taken out because we got to MacGyver all this into that. You can see we got our big window in. And then we're going to fill in some holes. Thanks to Todd for popping that hole right there. Just kidding. It's actually, we had to fill it in anyways. 5 weeks in. Maybe 2 or 3 weeks left. Hopefully 3. Second thought, definitely 3 more weeks. Plus, a couple more days.